Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how soap is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is where saponification begins, the chemical reaction that turns oils into soap.
Ratio levels are high on auxiliary.
Rerouting the mix. Temperature is dropping now.
Stable at 20 degrees. Good work.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how soap is made.
Enter to shepherd stage, from start to finish.